everyone! Welcome back to TurksWhoEat. Fresh from our trip to stunning Crete, Greece, we're craving some chicken souvlaki, and that's exactly what we're making today. Unfortunately, we don't have a grill here in our apartment, but we think we've come up with a solution, and we're on a mission to recreate this delicious dish using an oven. Stick around to see how it works out, and learn how to make delicious chicken souvlaki at home. Welcome to TurksWhoEat. We're Alex and Mehmet, a couple who loves to travel and eat. We also bring our dog, Bindi, along with us for as many adventures as possible. We love traveling, and eating local foods tends to be the highlight of our travels. We love to discover the local dishes and learn how to make them ourselves. Follow along with us as we explore the world, discover local foods, and attempt to recreate them. First things first, let's make the marinade, which really brings out the flavor in this dish. You'll need 1/4 cup of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, but wait, before you juice the lemon, don't forget to zest it and set aside the zest. It's a secret weapon that we'll use for later, trust us. 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, which is a staple in Greek cooking and really brings this chicken to life. 1 teaspoon each salt and freshly ground black pepper. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic that's minced. Great, now toss your chicken, about 1 pound or 500 grams, into this flavorful bowl and let it soak up all of that flavor in the fridge for at least 1 hour. 2 would be even better. Chicken souvlaki is cooked on skewers, so to do this at home, soak your wooden skewers in water for about 30 minutes before you begin to cook your chicken. This will help them not to burn in the oven. Now it's time to assemble our skewers. Skewer the chicken pieces and remember not to overcrowd them. We want perfectly cooked pieces of chicken. Now comes the big test. To attempt to get as close to that grilled flavor in our oven at home, we're going to place the skewers on a baking dish and bake them quickly at a high temperature, and then finish by broiling them for a few minutes. These are going into a preheated oven at 230 degrees Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Halfway through, I attempted to turn them, but this was only slightly successful, which sometimes happens in the kitchen, and that's okay. After 15 minutes, turn the oven to the broil setting and bake them for another 2 to 3 minutes until they start to brown and are cooked through. Now while the chicken is cooking, let's whip up a creamy yogurt sauce and a salad to serve along with the chicken. For the yogurt sauce, add 1 cup of thick Greek yogurt to a bowl. Then grate about 1/2 of a cucumber and add it to that same bowl. Remember that lemon zest from earlier? Well, now is its time to shine. Add it to the yogurt mixture along with a pinch of salt and stir it all together. This isn't exactly tzatziki, but the sauce will give a nice freshness and creaminess to your souvlaki. To prepare the salad, simply chop up some cucumbers and tomatoes, drizzle some olive oil over the top, and a nice squeeze of lemon. Add a little bit of salt to taste. Now is the moment of truth. Let's see if the oven cooking method worked for our chicken. I'm pleased to say that the chicken actually does look pretty good. We're going to serve up our chicken with the yogurt sauce, salad, and some warm wraps. While it does not have the exact smoky flavor that a grill would give it, there is a lot of flavor in this chicken from the marinade, and the oven preparation kept it pretty juicy inside. The slight tanginess from the yogurt sauce and the crunch from the fresh vegetables make each bite of this souvlaki perfectly balanced. Of course, it might not be exactly like being in Greece, but this is a delicious and achievable alternative that's easy to make at home. Now all we need is that beautiful sea view to transport us back to Crete. We hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think about the dish in the comments below, and subscribe if you want to see where we're cooking next.